The U.S. Supreme Court, in a unanimous decision, has declared that the law that Congress passed to shut down TikTok or force it to sell to Americans is constitutional. As a result, many people are scrambling to find an alternative. A lot of turning to another Chinese app called Red Note. But African Americans, we should be downloading Fanbase. On this MLK weekend, we should be talking about black ownership. We should be talking about equity in social media platforms. We're always talking about and complaining about we don't have our own, but here's an opportunity to support something that is founded by an African American, Isaac Hayes III. On this MLK weekend, how do we honor his legacy? By supporting, downloading, and investing in Fanbase at startengine.com/fanbase. In his last sermon, April 3rd, 1968, night before he was killed, Dr. King said, Black people individually are poor, but collectively we are one of the wealthiest economies in the world. He also said in that same sermon that we need to have collective action and move as a collective. In that same sermon, he talked about supporting black banks, black insurance companies, and black businesses. So we should be doing the exact same thing in 2025. If we want to change our condition, we must begin to think ownership. And that's why we should be downloading Fanbase, investing in Fanbase, supporting the Fanbase, and saying, let's take our talents to a place that we own as opposed to making other folks rich.